Hey YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. This one's from our place. I think some kind of pots and pans again that my wife purchased. I think they were having some kind of spring sale, and then it was like 40% off or something like that. Anyway, I think she got this one for free according to her. So I'm not sure if that's true or not. So because she purchased one of the toaster oven. Anyway, this video is not sponsored by this company, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what she got this time. I think she bought some in order to receive some. Let me show us this one. Set of 2 hot mitts, blue salt. So gigantic. So this is like a rubber on both sides. What's that? And then it's like a fabric. So yeah, the product is made in China. Hot mitts. Let's go ahead and check out this one. Take our place. Maybe some kind of wooden spoon or something. Oh my god, more knives? Are you kidding me? I don't need any more knives. That's so sharp. Nice handle. It's a case. I'm not sure it's the same knife. Oh yeah. What? Do we need? Oh, this is longer one. It must be for the bread. So this is serrated. Probably forever sharp. Looks pretty sharp to me. Gotta be careful. Very sharp. This one is the Titanium Mini Perfect Pop Pro Chrome. Designed with love in LA. This box is 100% recyclable and designed to minimize waste. Building a bigger table. Wow, I can see me. Come with this spoon. So this is not a wooden spoon, it's like a rubberized spoon. So this one has like a honeycomb shape inside there. It says quick tips, preheat plus activate. Preheat the pan for 90 seconds, then coat the interior with oil, butter, or fat. Something sticking? Your food will self-release when it is ready. Give it time or lower the temperature. Rub it in. To keep the interior performing at the high level, rub in some neutral oil after cleaning and before storage. The pot looks nice and everything, but after you cook it might get dirty, and I don't like our place because when you're cooking, this thing's gonna get so hot. There's no rubberized material, and also on the handle sometimes it tends to heat up and it's hard to hold it. Yeah, and then once you cook it very hot, this thing is not rubberized material, and it's very hard to hold. Sometimes it's gonna burn you, so you gotta be careful. So there's like a faulty design right there, in my opinion. Alright, let's go and check out this big box right here. So I'm not gonna take it out, I'm just gonna cut out the tape. Aisha. It looks like a steamer pot. This one is the yellow color. Last time we had the green. This one comes with the two wooden spoons or spatula. Come with a stainless netting mesh. There's a handle for you to lift it up. Oh, there's two more wooden spoons on the bottom. What? Right here is another lid. The heck? Oh my god, more lid? We don't have no more room. What's she doing? Crazy. Spending money. Sure. That's another lid. I'm not sure is she crazy or what. So yeah, right here you see the notch right here. So and the notch on the lid, the round. Yes, match it. That's for the wooden spoon. So you can rest your spatula right here, and then there's a notch right there. You close the lid. But somehow this one is not the correct one. So this is the correct one. You see the spatula? This one won't fit because of the lid. It has to be the round spoon. And right here is another pot. And this is the last one. These are all the non-stick. I thought that was a scratch, but I guess not. Yeah, this is a non-stick, okay, a special coating, which is good. There you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.